Asians are slim because of what they eat and because of their eating habits. The first Asian slim secret is eating soup as the appetizer. The Chinese eat plenty of soup. In fact, in some areas in China, clear soup is their drink, and they do not serve any other drink during a meal. Eating soup as your appetizer will help you lose weight because your stomach will quickly recognize soup as a warm meal and it is large in volume. As you empty your bowls, your stomach is already half full. Thus, it will help you to control your calories intake. When I compare the Asian style soup and the Western style soup, I discover that the Asian style soup are very low in calories compared to the Western style soups. A cup of Asian style corn and egg drop soup contains only 93 calories and 1 gram of fat, while 1 cup of cream of broccoli contains 200 calories, 12 grams of fat, and that's twice the calories and 12 times more fat. Asian people eat clear soup or thick soup, which is thickened with cornstarch or tapioca starch. We never use cream in our soup. Cornstarch and tapioca starch are complex carbohydrates that contain 0 gram fat, and they contains resistant starch. On the other hand, Western style soup is high in fat and calories because it is usually thickened with cream. 1 cup of cream contains about 580 calories, 60 grams of fat, and 200 milligrams of cholesterol. And the Western style soup usually contain very little resistant starch compared to the Asian style soups.